Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x8007012f on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down in the right pane, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and solve them if possible. The next one is straight away to reset Windows Update components. So search for reset in the Windows search bar and open reset Windows Update components. We have a script for you and I'll share it in the description section of the video. Simply copy this script, search for command prompt, click on run as administrator in the right pane, paste it here and hit enter. I'll tell you what this script will do. This script will stop all the services, then it will delete the contents of the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and then it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then you can also manually download these updates. Okay, so open the browser, search for Microsoft Update Catalog, go to catalog.update.microsoft.com, search for the latest month and year in the MMYYYY format, and then click on download here for the latest cumulative update associated with Windows 11. Click on the MSU file and then click on open. But if you don't find it, then please search it for the previous month, because usually a cumulative update is not launched till the first week, till the end of the first week. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.